Otu jet rid of drinfli. If svarin of small fli have sudan sprongu parund your kitchen 5, bathroom 5, orchoe, yuma have drinfli infestation. Terangine color from tan to dark grey, arfudzi, en hall de serwigna en angle to ser body, jivignatem en ovra lire chap. Drinfli livan bridint organique maté trapède ainsi de moist drain, sojatin rid of te spesti usually a simple removignatugn ainsi de your pipe. Atorug kianing schuld dot trick, en before you know it te drinfli will be story. Identifying te problème. Identifie te problème area. Examine alt drain in your roman i area ainsi de orudzi de te homta standing water. En i area with multiple drinfli illique li a problème. Luckily, drinfli dono très far from te place te have chosen to make serum, so it are for a drinfli infestation to spray at to al area of toes. Ti especially true if you catch te problem early. Dry alt drain area before going to bed. Ti the first thing you must do to verify that problem is coming from to drain itself. You might actually be infested by a note type of fidronin by rotting fluorotefo de source. A resul, you should verify that you actually have a drinfli in your drain before taking a measure to remove them. Place a strip of clear tape over drain. Stick the tape over the santé of drain with the sticky side facing down. 1. Dono completely cover the drain with tape. A covered drain will prevent fly from flying up, leaving you with no evidence. Check the tap in the morning or after a day. If you spot a fly on the tap after removing it from the drain fly are the most likely culprit. Even if you don't find a drain fly on the tap after the first night, you should drop at the process for at least 4 nights to account for discrepancy in the breeding cycle. Destroying the breeding ground. Clean the air cache, if applicable. Remove the air cache or filter from an affected shoe drain and clean it out thoroughly, removing all the air tangled inside it. The cane destroying the drain fly breeding ground di removing all air, grime, and debris that fly might less regin. Moisten the drain, if necessary. Pour un tout 2 gallons, 4 to 8 litres, of warm water un tot drain to moisten it slightly. Note that I only needed if the drain no used on a regular basis. Drain used on a daily basis are moist en ugui to taking additional measurement. Use a metal pipe brush. 2. Work a metal pipe brush un tot drain, extending it a far down un tot drain a possible. Twist the brush wheel slowly moving it up and down to remove grime from the side of the pipe. Fish out the grime with a plumbing snack. Insert a plumbing snack un tot drain and twist it through the pipe to pull out clump of grime tally furte down. Pour a gel drain cleaner un tot drain. Apply Rougli 4 roses, 125 ml, of the cleaner on the edge of the drain. Applying the cleaner to the edge of the drain allow it to cut the side of the drain and pipe it glide down. Gel cleaner are formulated to remove organic matter. You could also use enzyme or bacterial drain cleaner to remove organic material. 3. Vinegar, boiling water, ambly are traditional remedy for getting rid of drain fly, but many experts insist that these methods are no effective. Baking soda en vinegar pourrait don te drain make it fly, it will clean te drain a list. You may need to repeat some dosage of drain cleaners a day for 5 to 7 day total. Finish up with a plongée. 4. After te drain cleaner sat in te 5 for several hours, flush it through with plenty of water. Use a plongée to remove any remaining organic matter trapped in te 5. Killing adult fly. Use a fly swatté to kill adult fly. Go to the drain area and squash a many of the drain fly a possible with a standard fly swatté. Will destroying the breeding ground will prevent the fly from laying more egg. You'll still have to deal with adult drain fly up to 20 days after you clean the drain. Asus, you may want to take extra measure to get rid of a many as possible. Apply a space spray. If a fly swatté inefficient, Treat infested area 8 ans insectes spread avor in confine space. Close alt door en Windows int space. Spread insecte poison uvar for 5 to 8 secondes per 1000 cubic fait, 305 cubic meter. Leave the treated area en keep it closed for 15 minutes or more. Open all windows and door after returning to area. Run on electric fan, if possible, to help disperse any remaining spray. Reapply often once every week. Follow up. Keep the drain clean. You should clean the drain in your use list once every month, but if you've already had problem with drain flea, you may want to increase it to once every 1 or 2 week. At rug cleaning is no necessary. Simply pour 4 roses, 125 ml, of gel drain cleaner tout drain unless it to maintain a continual state of cleanliness. For drain tar rarely used, sushine a garage or basement, pour alit mineral old te drain. Ti will prevent furte infestation until water is run down te drain. Apply insect growth regulator. Spray en aerosol igre directly ainsi de te drain en along te drain line. Igre prevent drain flea from breaking out of te larve stage. Since flea on libridon c'était en état stage, ti greatly reduce ten be of flea breeding, te rebicuting don en future infestation.